Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm with Alexis Sanderson. She is my co-instructor, and she is 8 years old and has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy. And she's a level 3-4, which means she can walk with two hands held fairly well. She can walk in a walker, often with assistance, and long distances she needs a wheelchair. We're working on standing balance, and we're here with her grandmother. This is Sonia. When I work on standing balance, I have to make sure the kids are motivated. Alexis loves the bubbles. So we're going to use the bubbles, and the lower I support her, the more challenging it is for her to keep her balance. So I would work my way lower and lower and lower. I'm going to do it sideways just so you can sort of see my hands go down. So let's see, Alexis, I'm going down. I'm going down. You stand up, Alexis. All right, you got those bubbles ready? You can go ahead and do them. Oh, my stars. So here she is with hip support. Here she is with middle thigh support. Here she is with knee support. Here she is with mid shin support. And woo! Here she is with all the way down at ankles. Woo! And I can let go momentarily, but then she has a hard time. Whoop. So it's just an easy and fun way to work on standing balance. I hope this is a helpful, easy idea for you at home. Oh my goodness. And we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye!
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.